Okay, we're going to try this again. I got an error on my camera, so we're going to go out here again. All right, this is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Thursday, February 18th, 2021. And I don't know why I got a camcorder error message, but we're just going around the corner here. And as I was saying, we got about 2 inches this morning. We're supposed to, the bulk of the storm's going to hit tonight. We're going to should have about 4 more inches by tomorrow morning. And thanks to my landlord, he shoveled all this here. And yeah, and it made it real easy. I just went and I got to do my usual checking here. Okay, check to make sure there's nothing there. There's nothing in my mail. I just checked. Okay, so we're going to try this again. I don't know why the camcorder failed last time, so we're going to try it again. And hoping that my Chewy order comes in, because Job is getting low on food. And I really have no way to get to the store. So my Chewy order should come in either today, or not today, tomorrow or Saturday, I'm hoping. The latest would be Monday, but anyway, well, that.